This video focuses on the 5-number summary and creating a box and whisker plot, or we also call it a box plot. This first slide has a lot of information here. I'll kind of highlight what I'd like you to write down. So the definition, we have these things called quartiles. Quartiles divide up an ordered number set into 4 equal parts to present percentages. So if you think about your smallest number ranging to your largest number, you have your minimum number and your maximum number. That's what we call our whisker. Then we split up our number set into our median, which we also call quartile 2. So this represents from quartile 2 up to the maximum 50% of your data. Then from your median down to your minimum is another 50% of your data. All right, then we split up each 50% into half. So if you imagine this is 50% here, we split it in half. This is your what we call quartile 3. So you have 25% here and 25% there. Then we do the same thing on the lower quartile. We split this up into a half, which is quartile 1, and then another half. So each piece is represented here. Now I want to talk about this box. This box represents the IQR, the interquartile range. It's where 50% of your data falls. Then you split up this box into the median, or quartile 2, so this would be 25%, and then this would be 25%. So now what I've talked about mostly is down here in the definitions. I just want to highlight a couple things I haven't talked about, how you find them. All right, the one thing I haven't talked about is the IQR, interquartile range. How you find them is you're going to take the quartile 3 value minus the quartile 1. And that'll give you the middle 50% of data. The next thing is what we call the 5-number summary. There's 5 numbers we're looking for. The maximum, the highest number, the minimum, the lowest number, lower quartile, or also called Q1, the median, which is also called Q2, and the upper quartile, Q3. All right, then there are outliers, numbers that are out of the appropriate range of values. There's quartile 3 plus 1.5 times the IQR. Or a number that falls below is quartile 1 minus 1.5 times IQR. Now don't worry too much about this set of outliers here. We'll do an example later on. The last thing is your range of values. The range of values is your largest number subtracting your minimum number. All right, let's kind of look at it in another way. Here's your box plot. You have your minimum, your quartile 1, your median, your quartile 3, and your maximum. I really liked this picture, so I added an extra one here for you. So again, your minimum to your maximum, quartile 1, quartile 3, which is your IQR, your 50% of your data, and then in the middle is your median.